for a new video. I'm super duper excited, as you can see me wearing pink because today is going to be a Valentine's Day house tour for you guys. I know this is going to be my very first time. It's also going to be a decor with me in a mini house tour, so I can't wait for you guys to see what I come up with. But today it's a very special day because it's actually a collaboration with my beautiful friend here on YouTube and also on Instagram, Dedemomboss, and she will also present herself. I'm going to show you guys everything about her channel. Everything you need to know about her channel will be down in the description below. Don't miss out. Go ahead and show her some love. If you're coming from Didi's channel, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3 and I do house tours, and I bring you minimalism and clutter-free content. If there's anything you love to see, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, also on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Without further ado, let me not take any more of your time. Let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. So this is my girl Didi's channel. It's full of inspiration. If you want to learn how to DIY, you want to learn how to take care of yourself, her channel is the best place for you to be. It's also a lifestyle channel. She has home decor like you don't even know, house tours. Listen, I love her new home she purchased, and I believe you will love it too. That's why I decided to partner with her today on this Valentine video. Go there and show her some love, guys. Let her know Gladys sent you. Thank you, guys. So now let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's go. Okay, so this is the flower that I have. Previously, I'm going to remove it from this location. And I will bring this beautiful pink one, which is from Home Goods. If I'm not mistaken, let me fluff it here a little bit. And I think this is really pretty for Valentine. I'm going to add this, which I purchased at the Dollar Tree. This is Happy Valentine's Day. I would love when people come in. This is very welcoming to them. So let's remove the tag. Let's not be tacky and remove the tag. I prefer it this way. I think it looks really pretty. So let's move on to the front of the door, guys. So this is my front wreath. It's a green wreath. It's not Christmassy. It doesn't have any type of lights or bulbs or anything on there. And I think I can also mix it with Valentine. So I have this Valentine wreath that I'm going to go ahead and add here from the Dollar Tree. So this is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty. Now I'm just going to tuck it in and intertwine these in here. What do you guys think? I think it looks super duper cute. I really like it. That's exactly the idea I had for here. Now let's go to the front door outside. Beautiful garland. It's this just pretty greenery. I use it for Christmas, fall, and everything. I intertwine it with different garlands. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it right here. With that being said, I'm also going to add really nice florals to it, so it can be a little bit can have lots of like pink. Make it very Valentine, just very romantic. has lots of pink, a little bit of red, very, you know, cutesy, Valentine-ish. I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the greenery. And I never cut my stems. I always fold them just in case I get a longer vase or longer pots. But what do you guys think? I really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and change the pillows that were here. I always love to rotate my pillows. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one with the stripes. I love that. It's very modern, and it actually came with the couch. Can you believe it? Usually pillows that come with couches are very dull. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these right over here. And I'm gonna use the stripe side of this Christmas pillows. It says Merry and Bright. This was one of my very favorite Christmas pillows this last year that I used, and I'm definitely gonna use it again for next year Christmas. But I love this side right here, this very peppermint-ish. I love the fact that it has the white and red, which you can also double up for Valentine's. Pillow, and this is a Rodeo brand pillow, and I love just the way that looks, and it's very accurate for Valentine's. It's love. Just gonna lightly chop it. And the other one here, it says home, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it on this side. This is what it looks like before I decorate for Valentine's. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these. And also with the vase. Okay, so I'm going to bring the vase back. Remove the candles for now. Trying to figure out if I want to keep them here or not. So I'm going to go ahead and add these beautiful florals. I just really wanted to feel like Valentine here, you know, like just love in the air. I have this love, one from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to go ahead and add it right here. And also going to add this one. Just want to incorporate lots of flowers. So I have this family is in the heart of our home sign from the Dollar Tree. Also have this cute rose, which is a leftover. It's not a rose, sorry, it's a peony, which is leftover from the other one. And this beautiful heart from Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this at the heart right there. Next to it, we'll add a little flower right here. As I promised you, we will do a little home tour for this Decorate With Me for Valentine. So this is the home sign that I got from the Dollar Tree. like I say, you know I don't like to spend a lot of money for things. So this looks so pretty to me, in my opinion, and I love that. So this is the front porch area. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is my entryway. It's very narrow, so I keep a narrow table because we can drop our keys here, things, you know, before going inside the living room. So this is what I came up with for Valentine. I love this Valentine Day sign. It's from the Dollar Tree with the little bike and the hearts flowing over it. You know, I'm such a I'm such a lover girl at heart. Like I just love love. Like I do little simple things like this, not because of only YouTube, because I love to see things like this in my home. And then the floral here, like I mentioned previously, is from Home Goods several years ago. So let's go into my living room. So we are right here in my living room, and as we have decorated together, I just love the florals right here. It looks to me very springish, but you know, right after Valentine's is March and April and it's spring, so I can definitely remove this greenery and add more of this because I have more of this garland for spring to make it more springish, and also add lots of colors here in this right there. But I love, you know, just seeing flowers everywhere. It's just like an upbring. It's like already warning you that hey, spring gets on its way. And just the floral right here, this is from Walmart. I love that. I just didn't want to get all red things like that. It will remind me too much of Christmas, so I prefer going into the pinkish color so that I can incorporate that in my spring decor. Again, with this red and white stripe pillow, which is Christmas. You saw that, and I turned it, you know, the other side to make it very, you know, Valentine. I love the way that looks. So this is my living room. Again, everything here is very simple, yet it's what I need, not less, not much. So yeah, super cute. Now when we go on this side, this is what we decorated previously with the love sign and the floral. I think it looks super duper cute, and I love that. Just coming in and seeing that love sign tilted, and this will be my very first year doing a decoration for Valentine's, so I love that. Again, love. So we go right here in my kitchen area, and let's go forward. So right there, I just saw we incorporate this heart from Walmart, and I think they still have some, guys. This video will be coming up very soon for you guys, so when you do see it, you can definitely run to your Walmart store if you want to grab this heart. I think you can easily DIY it, but you know me, I'm not very good at that. So and then the little floral right there, I even matched my nails for you guys, made it a little bit reddish pinkish, you know, just to be in the mood for Valentine decorating. And I love just how simple that is, but you know that hey, someone put in effort to decorate for Valentine. When we go this way, as you see, lots of things in my home here are very green. I have lots of greeneries everywhere. Like example right here, right there, also behind me. And I love incorporating greenery. I feel like it can be used all around the year. Like in here, I can enter some like pumpkin picks for, you know, fall. So much things. So yeah, let me not get off course. So here I have the family is the heart of our home. This is also from the Dollar Tree, and it looks super duper pretty. I love incorporating wood and, you know, simplicity. Obviously, I'm not going to keep it that way, but that, as you saw, how I was struggling when I was decorating, but this is going to stay there right now. But, you know, my family has to be able to grab the knife and the napkin hand towel. So I have to go ahead and find a space for it, probably behind it. So when we turn this way, this is where we came from. And I just think it looks super cute for me. It's simple yet so pretty, guys. So this was the small home tour I mentioned for Christmas. I mean, for Valentine. few minutes for you guys. Do not forget to go to Didi's page. Her link will be in the description below. Let her know Gladys sent you. Show her some love. And if you're coming from Didi's page, as I mentioned earlier, I would truly love for you to be part of this channel. So go ahead and click on that subscribe button. God bless you all. Take care. See you on the next video. Bye, y'all.